If you're just starting your streaming journey, there's a good chance you're at least making one of this mistake. And the worst part, you don't even realize it. I know that because I made every single one of them. I copied Pro OBS settings without even understanding them, focused way too much on my live view counts during my live streamings. Besides that, I even ignore my audio setup and even thought that when streaming on multiple platforms, it does help me to grow much faster. While looking back, these 5 mistakes cost me my time, my money, and even affect my motivations. So you can avoid making the same mistake and improve your stream much faster. But don't worry, in this video, I'm not just going to tell you what I did wrong, I will also share what I will do instead. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the mistake number 1 is to copy Pro OBS settings without understanding them. When I first started streaming, I watched countless of videos looking for the best OBS setting. Whenever I saw the creator that have amazing video quality, I copy every single one of them. But honestly, it sometimes doesn't work well for my PC. Now the problem is every creator have different setup, different GPU, different CPU, even a different internet speed, or even they have 12 PC setup. But there is some settings that in OBS is actually suitable for everyone. For example, if you're using NVIDIA GPU, for the encoder, you can go for the NVENC. But when it comes to other settings, you have to adjust it according to a setup. For example, your base resolutions and also for your streaming output rate. How many kbps that you should use for streaming to multiple platforms or even the platform that you wish to start with. Because different platform, it does support different type of bitrate. For example, Twitch support up to 6000 kbps, and if you're streaming on YouTube, it support up to 12,000 kbps for a 1080p stream. And one more thing, that is for the base resolution. For example, if you have a monitor that is 1440p, setting is same with your monitor, although your output is set to 1080p, it will also affect your FPS and your stream whenever you are doing multi-stream. So what I'll do instead, spend a little time understanding the OBS settings, understanding the bitrate, the encoder, the resolutions. So when you know the basics, you're able to optimize your OBS from almost any PC. This mistake number 2 affected me more on mentally than anything else. That is, I focus way too much on live viewer counts. Every time when I stream, I keep on checking on live viewers. 0 viewers, 1 viewers, 2 viewers, or even back to 0 viewers. It might affect your motivation. For example, if you're talking for like 15 minutes and 30 minutes and you realize no one's actually watching. And because of this, you might actually wondering yourself, are you actually suitable for this? And it may cause you to start quitting. So what I do instead, I make clips or even tutorial shorts content on multiple platforms by telling others that I'm actually streaming during the schedule. And always remember to plan your schedule so that the viewers know when to watch you during your live. Now here comes mistake number 3. I bought better gear way too soon. I thought better gear would automatically produce better live streams and better content, a better microphone, a better webcam, or even a faster PC. I even made a mistake, that is, I spent way too much on a PC not knowing what should I do with that setup. For example, if you like to build a setup just for multi-streaming, you have to aim for higher VRAM or a better CPU or even more RAM. And if you decide just to stream to one platform vertically, you might be able to do it with your current setup, as long that you have a 6GB or even 8GB of VRAMs and probably an 8 cores of CPU with a 16GB of memory. And the good thing about streaming vertically, uses less resource for your PC and of course better discoverability for TikTok or even YouTube Shorts. So if you're wondering how to set up vertical live streams, I got a video perfectly just for you. I'll put the link down in the description. So before you upgrade your setup, remember to ask yourself what you would like to do with your upgraded setup. And mistake number 4 is the biggest mistake that I have ever made: ignoring my audio setup. Here's something many new streamers don't realize. Viewers somehow able to accept average video quality, but they'll notice bad audio immediately. I used to spend too much time on making my video quality looks good and I totally forget about my audio. So as a result, my game audio is way too loud and my mic is picking a lot of unwanted noise such as my background noise, my keyboard clicking, or even my mouse click, and even my voice does not sound clear. So what I do instead, I spend time using OBS built-in filters to improve my mic audio and reduce a little bit on my game audio to have the best balanced audio quality during my live streams. And the best part, all of these built-in filters is completely free in OBS. And do not worry about the complicated settings. It is because we had just a recent video uploaded talks about how to make your average mic sound like a pro, and it is very easy to understand. If you can only improve one thing today, improve your audio. Clear audio keeps people watching. watching. Last but not least, here comes the last mistake. I thought multi-streaming was always the answer. I thought why not stream to YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok, or even Cake, all at the same time. But I quickly learned something about it. That is, multi-streamings only work if your setup can handle it. If your PC is already struggling, adding more stream can overload your GPU or even your CPU, causing drop frames and bad video quality for everyone to watch. And the worst part, it will also affect your gaming experience because of laggy and even FPS drop. So I changed my approach. Instead of streamings everywhere at good video quality, I optimize for my hardware. For example, I keep my mainstream quality for horizontal at best as possible for 1080p, and I change my vertical stream to 720p because most of the viewers are watching using their mobile, and also cause less stress for your PC because of lower output and smaller layout. The goal isn't to be anywhere, it's to have smooth and stable stream. So before you multi-stream, ask yourself, can my setup handle it reliably? And comment down below what kind of setup do you have and what problem are you facing when you are multi-streaming. So by looking back at it, I don't regret making this mistake because it taught me a lesson to be a better creator and also a better streamer. And if this video helped you to avoid even one of them, give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you're wondering how to set up vertical stream in OBS and virtual it into TikTok Live Studio and stream to TikTok, we got a video. I'm gonna just put it right here. Besides that, we got a full streaming playlist that talks about how to improve your mic, a better webcam, better video quality, better streamings, better recordings. So you might check it out and it might improve your streaming journey way much more faster. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and most importantly, enjoy and happy streaming.